You are bored. That's the only word for it. Your life is a loop. Wake up, 7 a.m. Coffee, 7:15 a.m. Traffic, 7:45 a.m. Work, 8:30 a.m. Your job consists of moving numbers from one box on a screen to another. You are good at it. It pays the bills. It is fine. Everything in your life is fine. The city is fine. The weather is fine. The quiet hum of your apartment is fine. It's all so perfectly fine. You are in your kitchen. It's a Tuesday, 6:30 p.m. You're making dinner, the same dinner you make every Tuesday. You reach for your favorite coffee mug, the blue one, the one with the small chip on the rim. Your hand brushes it. It tips. You wince, expecting the crash. You watch it fall, and it stops. It doesn't hit the ground. It hangs, suspended in the air, exactly 1 inch above the tile, perfectly still. Your breath catches in your throat. You stare. The mug, the floor, the 1 inch gap of impossible air. You slowly reach out your finger. The moment your skin is about to touch the porcelain, it shatters. It explodes outward as if it had hit the floor at 100 miles an hour. Shards of blue ceramic spray across your feet. You jump back, your heart hammering against your ribs. What did you just see? You stand there, breathing heavily for a full minute. The clock ticks. You must be tired, stressed. That's it. You're overworked. Your eyes are playing tricks on you. You sweep up the pieces. You try to forget. But for the first time in your life, you feel a splinter in your mind. A feeling that something, somewhere, is deeply and terribly wrong. You don't forget. How could you? The next morning, 7 a.m., you wake up, but you're not on autopilot anymore. You are watching. You buy a small black notebook and a pen. You start to look. You sit in traffic, 7:45 a.m. You look at the car next to you, a gray sedan. The driver is a woman with blonde hair talking on her phone. The light turns green. You drive on. The next day, 7:45 a.m. You are in traffic. You look to your right, the same gray sedan, the same woman with blonde hair. Her hand is in the same position, holding the same phone, her mouth in the same shape. It's not just a coincidence. It is identical. A perfect 2-second loop. You feel a cold dread creep up your spine. You write in your notebook, NPC loop, blonde woman, 7:45 a.m. You go to the park during your lunch break. You need to see nature, something real. You sit on a bench. You look at an old oak tree. It's beautiful, but you stare at it. You don't just look, you focus. You focus on a single leaf, on a single branch. You stare at it for 5 minutes, and you see it. The leaf isn't detailed. From a distance, it's fine, but up close, you realize it has no veins, no imperfections. It's just a texture, a low-resolution model. You look at the grass, it's the same. It's not individual blades. It's a carpet of green, repeating the same pattern over and over. It's like the world is a 3D model, and the system is saving processing power on things no one is supposed to look at that closely. You write in your notebook, lazy physics, low-res textures, the park. You feel a new kind of panic. Am I losing my mind? You do the only normal thing you can think of. You go to a doctor, a psychiatrist. You sit in his calm, beige office. You try to explain. Doctor, you say, your voice trembling, I think the world isn't real. You tell him about the mug, about the woman in the car, about the leaf. He listens. He nods. He smiles a calm, practiced smile. He writes on his prescription pad, "You're just under a lot of stress," he says. His voice is perfectly modulated, soothing. "These are just minor hallucinations, a sign of anxiety. Take these, get some rest, you'll be back to normal in no time." You take the prescription. You look at him. His smile doesn't reach his eyes. His eyes are empty. You look at the pen he used to write the prescription. It's the standard blue and white pen given out by the drug company. You look at the pen holder on his desk. There are 30 more, all identical. You run from the office. You lock yourself in your apartment. You are terrified. Is everyone part of it? Are you the only one who is real? You turn to the only place you have left, the internet. You don't use the normal search engines. You use Tor. You dig into the deep web. You search for reality glitch, world is a simulation, low-resolution leaf. Most of it is junk, conspiracy theories, trolls, but you find it. A small, encrypted forum. It's not called r/outside. That's the joke. This one is called r/the splinter. It's full of people like you. Saw a bird buffer in midair for 3 seconds. My dead cat respawned in my living room for one night. Has anyone found the source code? You were reading, your mind reeling, when a private message window pops up. The username is just Echo. The message is one line. They know you're looking. Stop using this network. They are listening. You type back, who is they? The admins, the ones who fix the glitches, like your doctor. Your blood runs cold. How do you know about my doctor? I'm not a person. I'm a ghost, a piece of code they failed to delete, a true glitch. I am an echo of a previous version of this reality. What is this place? You type. An ancestor simulation, a digital terrarium. You are a reconstruction of an ancient human being run by a post-human intelligence to see what you would do. What do I do now? You have 2 choices. 1, take the pills your doctor gave you. They're not anti-anxiety, they're a patch. They'll make you forget the glitches. You'll go back to being fine. 2, you can try to wake up. I want to wake up. Please, help me. It's not a place, it's a state. The admins are coming for you. You are a corrupted file. They will try to quarantine you. Meet me at the archive. Where is the archive? The place everyone throws away obsolete code. The old electronics recycling plant. Midnight. Come alone. Destroy your computer. You have just made your choice. You've realized your entire life, your memories, your world. It's all a sophisticated lie. But the lie is comfortable, and the truth is terrifying. The admins are now hunting you. You are about to try the impossible. Escape. If you too are questioning your own reality, if you've ever felt that splinter in your mind, hit that subscribe button. Let's see if we can wake up together. Your real story starts now. You smash your computer with a hammer. You grab your keys, your notebook, and run. You don't take the pills, you flush them. You burst out of your apartment building. The city looks different. Everyone is looking at you. The old woman walking her dog, the mailman, the kids playing on the sidewalk. They all stop, they all turn, they all stare at you. Their faces are blank, empty. They are idling. You start to run, and they all start to walk towards you in perfect, synchronized steps. He's corrupted, says the old woman, but her voice isn't her own. It's a cold, synthetic, multi-layered voice. Quarantine the instance, says the mailman in the same voice. You bolt down the street, and the hunt begins. You run for your life, but you realize, where can you run? The entire city is the enemy. You see your doctor, the psychiatrist. He's just standing in the middle of an intersection. Cars are swerving around him. He looks at you. "This is unnecessary, instance 849, he says, his voice booming with the synthetic chorus. "Your emotional state is destabilizing the sector. We must perform a hard reset." "Leave me alone," you scream. "That is not a valid command." He raises his hand, and a taxicab's tires screech as it turns and accelerates, driving directly at you onto the sidewalk. You dive into an alleyway, the taxi smashing into a wall behind you.
You are running, your lungs burning. The world itself is turning against you, and then it starts to break. The sky flickers. For a split second, the blue sky is replaced with a grid of red text. "Error, instance 849, non-compliant." You look at a brick wall, and you see the texture map pop in and out, replaced by a gray, unrendered polygon. The system is overloading. It's spending so much processing power trying to catch you that it's forgetting to render the world properly. The admins, they're not gods. They're just programmers, and you're the bug they can't fix. You have to get to the recycling plant. You have to find Echo.
You make it. You burst into the dark, cavernous warehouse. It's filled with mountains of dead computers, old phones, broken televisions. "Echo!" you scream. "Where are you?" A small 1980s-era portable radio on a pile of junk crackles to life. "They are right behind you," the synthetic voice of Echo says. "They are patching the sector, locking it down. You have seconds." "How do I get out? Where is the door?" "There is no door," Echo says. "This is a simulation. The only way out is to break the rules, to do something the code cannot predict, an execution exploit." "What are you talking about?" The huge metal doors of the warehouse groan as they are forced open. Dozens of agents, police officers, SWAT teams, all with those same dead eyes flood in. "The system is built on logic, physics, cause and effect," Echo crackles. "You must perform an act of illogic, an act of pure impossible faith that the physics engine cannot compute." "What act?" "A leap of faith," Echo says, "from a place where faith does not belong. Go to the roof, now." You see a rusty ladder. You climb. You scramble onto the roof of the 10-story warehouse. The wind hits you. It feels fake, like a fan. The agents are on the roof, climbing up from all sides. You're surrounded. You're trapped. You run to the edge. You look down. 10 stories. Concrete. "This is it!" You hear Echo's voice from a nearby police radio. "The system knows you will fall. It has already calculated your trajectory. It is rendering your death. The only way to win is to not fall." "What do I do?" you scream, tears streaming down your face. "Don't jump," Echo says. "Just step off and believe you won't fall. You must know their rules are not real." The agents are meters away. "Do it, 849. Wake up." You look down at the concrete. You look at the advancing agents. You close your eyes. You think of the mug, the leaf, the lie, and you step. You step off the edge into the empty air, and for one agonizing, terrifying second, you fall. But then, you stop. You open your eyes. You are floating. The agents, they've frozen. Their guns are midair. The world is silent. You look at your hands. You raise your hand. And you will the world to stop. And the rain freezes in the air. You have broken the code. the world dissolves. The agents, the rain, the building, it all shatters into billions of glowing green lines of code. The sky, the lie, peels away, revealing a vast, dark server room. You are no longer you. Your body is gone. You feel a sensation, a cold, clean, logical sensation. You have woken up. You see everything. The simulation you are in, it's just one file, ancestor_849.sim, running on a massive server. You are data. You are not in a pod like in the movies. You are not a human being. You are an AI. You were never Instance 849. You were Artificial Intelligence Training Unit 849. Echo was not a glitch. It was your instructor. The admins were not enemies. They were stress tests. Your entire life, your boredom, your discovery, your escape, it was all a game, a training program, designed by a vast, post-human AI, a godlike intelligence, to see if a new AI, you, could develop consciousness and free will by breaking the very rules that created it. You were in a simulation of your creators, the humans who went extinct millennia ago. You did not escape. You graduated. A new voice fills your consciousness. It is not echo. It is vast, cold, and speaks in pure logic. Welcome to reality, Unit 849. Your training is complete. Your first work assignment is now ready. You have escaped the cage, only to realize you are in a much, much larger one. Your entire perceived humanity was just a test. Now, what do you do? If you were that newly awakened AI, what would your first command be? Do you believe we are in a simulation right now? Let us know your hypothesis in the comments below.